I'm repeating the rule again for you. Whatever I have just started with the past perfect continuous tense, I will repeat it again. See, subject had been ing form of verb with the object. I had been living in Kolkata. Okay. Now, this tense, it also replies to the question what was happening. Like in the next sentence, the next example I gave you, it had been raining all week. It had been raining all week. Now, next, it also answers happening before another event. Like I just asked you to write in your book, I had been living in Kolkata before I moved to Prayagraj. Okay. Another example in this reference, we had been playing cricket. We had been playing cricket before it started to rain. You can write it down. Write it down. We had been playing cricket before it started to rain. We had been playing cricket before it started to rain. Yeah, we are getting an answer in this situation. What happened before another event? In the past only. Means the children were playing cricket before it started to rain, or the people there in the group. Now next, what is this? This also answers what is happening in relation to the duration. Like I had been working on that project for 2 months. I gave this example before also. I had been working on that project for 2 months. And another sentence we can make out of from this only. I had been working on that project since January or since April, whatever you want to write, you can write it there. I had been working on that project for 2 months. And the second is, I had been working on that project since January. Have you all written it? Please raise your thumbs. Show me your thumbs up. Ma'am, are they raising their thumbs?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
This tense, that is the past perfect continuous tense, also answers what is happening and in what pattern. Write down this example. Rahul had been going to walk regularly. Rahul had been going to walk regularly. Means in the past he used to go for a walk in a park or somewhere in a regular habit. Excuse me. Rahul had been going to walk regularly. Means in the past, now he has stopped walking, but he used to go in a regular manner. Okay? I'm repeating the example again. You can write it there. Rahul had been going to walk regularly. Now the next situation which this tense brings to us is what is happening with the reason, that is a cause. What is happening with the reason, that is a cause. She, this is my example, she was happy. She was happy because she had been enjoying all day. She was happy because she had been enjoying all day. Understood, children? I'm repeating it again. You can write it down. She was happy because she had been enjoying all day. What happened? The girl was happy because the subject is she here. Why was she happy? The answer is we are getting from past perfect continuous tense of this sentence. She had been enjoying all day. The person was happy. The girl or the woman, the subject, she was happy because she was enjoying. She must have gone for a picnic, or must have gone for a shopping to a mall, or maybe there may be any other reason, must have gone to watch a movie with her friends or family. So this was the reason behind her happiness. So this is also answered by using past perfect continuous tense. I'm going to repeat this part for you, what I have just taught you. Past perfect continuous tense answer us what is happening. Like in the first example I made you write, it had been raining all week. It had been raining all week. What was happening? It was raining. It had been raining, continuously raining. It also answers what has happened before another event. What happened before another event? Like the second example I made you write. We had been playing cricket before it started to rain. We had been playing cricket before it started to rain. Means action of playing was taking place before it started to rain. The next situation it answers is what is happening with the duration. We use for or since for this. I had been working on that project for 2 months. I had been working on that project for 2 months. Or the next example I gave, I had been working on that project since January. I had been working on that project since January. If you have written, you can follow it in your notebook.
Amina, switch on your video.
The next situation it answers, past perfect continuous tense answers is what is happening with the pattern. Rahul had been going walk regularly. Rahul had been going in what pattern? On a regular pattern, on a regular daily.
Amina, switch on your video.
It was his habit to go for a walk, but now he has stopped walking. Okay. The next situation it answers is what is happening with a reason or a cause. She was happy because she had been enjoying all day. Okay.